Working with insurance catastrophe modeling and received a YLT1 file? These are specialized loss data tables used in risk modeling workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and access these YLT1 data files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade YLT1 file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. YLT1 files are year loss. Table data files used in catastrophe risk modeling for the insurance and reinsurance industry. They contain simulated annual loss data from probabilistic event sets used for portfolio risk analysis and exceedance probability curve generation. YLT1 files use a structured data format storing simulated event losses indexed by year and event with associated metadata including loss amounts, event identifiers, peril types, and geographic regions following catastrophe modeling platform specifications such as Oasis or proprietary vendor formats. The core association for the YLT1 file points directly to RMS Risk Modeler developed by RMS. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows may show minimal previews, but full visibility requires compatible programs. Your first step in the technical sequence, right-click the YLT1 file and choose Open With. Use RMS Risk Modeler as your first test case. If it fails, choose another program immediately. If the YLT1 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here is a list of the key technical reasons this YLT1 format often fails to open. First, opening and modeling software. Import the YLT1 file into your catastrophe modeling platform, such as RMS Risk Modeler AIR Touchstone or Oasis LMF. These applications natively read YLT1 files and integrate the data into portfolio analysis workflows for calculating average annual losses and exceedance probability metrics. Next, analyzing in Excel. If the YLT1 file is in a CSV-like text format, try opening it in Microsoft Excel or LibreOffice Calc. Use data then from text import to parse the file and review loss records. Large YLT1 files may exceed Excel row limits requiring database tools for complete analysis. Finally, processing with Python. Load YLT1 data using Python with pandas for large-scale analysis. Use pd.read CSV with appropriate delimiters or custom parsers based on the file structure. This enables aggregation by year peril or region and integration with risk analytics libraries for advanced statistical analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.